Hi, my name is Javier de la Torre, and I'm the founder of CARTO. Yeah, so today we've done a lot of announcements on the concept of what is the mission of our company, of CARTO, around democratizing access to spatial analytics. There is a boom when it comes, to spatial data. Many organizations thinking on leveraging their spatial data, and we're looking at making it much more accessible and widely, connected with the rest of the set of data sets. In that sense, the main motto of the conference that I'm explaining is breaking the GIS data silo. We think there is a ton of value if we manage to put geospatial data together with the rest of the data within organizations. For a long time, the geospatial industry had lived very separated from the rest by creating its own formats, by having to leverage specific products. At CARTO today, we announced a concept for storing all geospatial data on the cloud, on the data cloud, so that you can use it within products like BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift. And all of that is based on Parquet, a very, very well-known format that many companies already use to design their data lakes. We're making geospatial data available on Parquet. So AI is an incredible momentum that is coming to revolutionize the entire analytics, and geospatial is now an exception to that. From my point of view, there's two main things that are changing everything on AI for geospatial. So the first one, it is the availability of new multimodal large language models, right? And we've seen incredible, advances on GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5, where now models can interpret, not only text, but also video, images, sound. That means that for the first time, we have LLM models, AIs that can see the map, can interpret the map, the image itself, right? And that is mind-blowing because it opens a ton of possibilities. That's number one. The second that we showcase today is the rise of the AI agents. AI agents is this technology that allows the AIs to resonate, plan how to solve business problems, and act on them, actually execute those plans to gather the information or do the actions that are needed, right? So today we announced CARTO AI agents, which is a low-code, no-code approach to designing AI agents that are based on maps. And that is a great approach towards democratizing access to a lot of the information that is contained on these rich applications that geographers and geospatial users produce. It's very obvious, sustainability is becoming one of the most fundamental aspects that every organization have to consider. The world is changing very, very fast, and we're going to have to adapt and try to be more sustainable. So we've seen a lot of requirements, in terms of companies to asking us how we can help them on their sustainability goals. And myself, I'm particularly interested on this new regulation that arrived at the European Union called EUDR, the anti-deforestation regulation by the European Union. Essentially, it mandates that any company that imports certain goods, such as palm oil, cocoa, or coffee, into the European Union has to go through a process of due diligence to check if it comes maybe from areas where there's been deforestation, right? And in order to know that, that's essentially a spatial analytics problem. It's around knowing, where the farms, we know the locations where it's coming, and then, intersecting them with the alerts that we have around deforestation. So it is very important now that all as an industry, and CARTO is doing its part, providing a solution for that for large organizations. But it's very important as an industry, we put the tools, we put, the capabilities at the service of those companies, because this is honestly one of the biggest chances that we have to stop deforestation worldwide. And I think that is going to be something that the next generations will appreciate if we stop as soon as possible.